guess they're playing King of the Hill. I know. I'm gonna feed in just a second. Hi, sweetie. Hang on, Harmony. Hang on. Oh, yeah. This is what it's like having baby goats. Harmony, stop. Stop. This little guy's just chilling beside me. Rain. This is constant when I'm out here. Constant. Their mom had trouble getting up 2 hours after she gave birth, so I had a lot of bonding time with these 3 girls. And we have bonded. Haven't we, girls? And I have trouble bonding with Ivy's babies because they get a lot of attention, and I can't get away from them. Don't pull my face. Just wanted y'all to see what it's like having baby goats.